OV-20-240 voltage double basket deep fryer. First off, the overall dimensions. The length, we're looking at 15.5 inches. Depth will be 27.75 inches. And height, we have 43.25 inches. For each fryer basket, we have 5.75 inches in length, 11.25 inches in depth, and height, we have a 5.75 inches. Interior dimensions, we have 13.75 inches in length, and for the depth, we have at least 14 inches. Overall height will be 8 inches. Power switch. Coming in here, temperature adjustment, drain. Fryer is to 240 voltage, 60 hertz, 3-phase. Wiring required. Coming here is your ETL certification stamp, along with the diagram and schematic information. Here, the back of the fryer. And of course, caster wheels are included beneath this fryer, located in the bottom. Our 240 voltage double basket deep fryer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.